going to give a healthy and a nutritious touch to our beloved breakfast recipe, which is poha. So let's begin with the recipe for Sprouts Poha. I'm just going to show you a very small process of how to sprout your moong. So I have here some whole moong and rinse it once with water thoroughly. Give it 1 or 2 rinses, drain out this water. These are nicely rinsed, and now I'm going to add some water and let them soak for about 8 hours. After soaking these for 8 hours, these are nice and softened, and now let's sprout them. Place the soaked moong over the napkin, tie all the ends together and leave this for another 8 to 10 hours. After sprouting them for 8 to 10 hours, this is how they look. I already sprouted some and I've kept them ready. And now I'm going to move on to soaking the poha. Take around 1.5 cup of poha, rinse it thoroughly, add in around half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, salt to taste. So since there is 1.5 cups of poha, I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Give it a good mix, spread it around and let this soak. Heat 1.5 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add in 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, few curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida. Add in 1 potato that I've diced. Saute all these ingredients for a few seconds. Add in a little bit of turmeric powder, some salt, cover and let the potatoes fry for a minute on low heat. Let's check on the potatoes. Give it a toss. And now into this add in 1 heaped tablespoon of ginger-chilli paste, 1 onion finely chopped. Fry these ingredients for a few seconds. Next go in the sprouts. It gives it a good protein kick, high on fiber and also very nice texture. Add some water, cover and let this cook on low heat till the potatoes are done. Let's check on the potatoes. The potatoes are nicely cooked, and now let's add in the poha. Squeeze some lemon to taste, add in some coriander leaves. Very gently give everything a toss and mix everything properly. Cover and let this cook for 2 minutes on low heat. 2 minutes are up. The poha is nicely steamed and this is ready. Time to plate the poha. Garnish with some raw sprouted moong. This adds a very nice texture and flavor to the poha. Some sev, coriander leaves and serve with some lemon wedges. This wholesome protein-packed breakfast recipe is ready. Let me know how it turned out. Comment below, subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.